Hi everyone. Today I'm presenting a wonderful bundle from Creative Fabrica, which consists of sublimation designs for Christmas. Okay, first of all, my videos. This is a whole series of videos about Creative Fabrica. So these videos are directed to people who are designers and who also sell print-on-demand products. So what I wanted to show you in this video is the free sublimation bundle which is available for Creative Fabrica. What are the designs available and how you can use them. So one more thing, which is today is 24th of November 2024, but you can see that you still have 18 days here to get this free bundle with Creative Fabrica subscription. And what I wanted to say that even if you are watching my video in future, say you are watching it in 26 or 27 even, so you will have some idea about when the good deals are there and in November and December, so you can get these designs and you have some idea that what you are going to get and what are the good options you will have if you are making t-shirts, mugs, signs or cards for POD. And this also comes with Creative Fabrica commercial license, so you can see free with a commercial license. So let's see what is included in this bundle. So this is a Christmas mega PNG sublimation bundle. This is for people who make t-shirts and mugs. So you can see there are about 300 designs, different designs. And Creative Fabrica also always advertises and sells latest designs. So you can see there are many good designs, and I downloaded few of them. I run on coffee and Christmas cheer for a mug, and I also downloaded this design. This is very this is trending, this design. These are 9 elements. The croquet bow is in, and then the people put it on the t-shirt. So I can show you here. So first of all, let's do a quality check. So this design, it's on Microsoft Office Picture Manager. You can see this is 24%, and if I go 100%, which is huge, even huge for a t-shirt, but you can see there is no pixelation. This is how I check my design. This is how I finish my design, as I also design PNG files and SVG files. So you can see this is very high quality. So what I did, I put it on a mug right here, so you can see this design, how it will look on a mug, and it is a perfect coat for a mug. I run on coffee and Christmas cheer, a very nice design to put on a mug, and you can give it to a person who likes coffee and Christmas. And the other design I used was this 9 element design with croquet bow, and you can see I have made this mock-up for a t-shirt, so you can see how the design is going to look, and these designs are very high quality. So if you want, you can go to Creative Fabrica and get these amazing deals, number one. Secondly, the designs are very, very, very high quality. I have checked them, they are great. Thank you, and the link for this bundle will be in description. Take care.